Okay, so first of all, I would like to. Arey, do not give. Don't touch
me a
it.
good English. That's fine.
Yeah.
You taught me a good English.
Yeah, thank you. And okay, first of all, let's give him big hand. He is Harsh Vishwakarma, and he is the all students of this class. When we used to study over there in my first two coaching classes, so since that time he is studying, but he has completed his course within 5 months. Okay, so often I say that you have to complete your course within 6 months, but he has completed his course within 5 months, and he is able to speak good English. So today we have a normal communication with him. So everybody have to listen to him carefully, and you have to relate yourself that all some of you have completed 2 months, some of you have completed 3 months, and some of you have completed 6 months already. So we just have to come to know that how much time it takes to learn it. Okay, most of the people think that it will take at least 1 year to learn. Everybody, it is only for those who are very weak in English, who doesn't take care, who doesn't give their precious time to English. So it is only for those. But he was one of the best and one of the brilliant students. So everybody can, anybody can complete their course within 2-3 months and 4 months. Okay, so we just have to ask him. Okay, stand properly. So Mr. Harsh, what's going on nowadays?
Not that good at all.
Okay, so try to speak louder, okay, because they all will listen you carefully.
Not
Okay.
good at all because on at 31st of December my mom died.
Oh, sorry. After that, didn't you enjoy anything in your life?
Because in 1st of January we went to our village and then
Okay, so how is going on your school nowadays?
good. I am going to the school.
Okay, so are you getting any problem in English subject? I think according to me there is no any problem.
Not at all, sir, but learning some questions.
Yeah, it's very easy, I think. It's very useful when you try to learn your questions answers, so you can learn easily. She is Muskan. She is Muskan, and she has completed only 1 month with me, and she is married, but she is trying to learn something new. And she is Nana. She has completed 6 months, and she is also a good speaker. When we have communicate with her, so she can speak. And he is Vishal Yadav. Vishal Yadav. He is also a good speaker, but sometimes he doesn't speak too much. And he is Yura, so you know him already. So he is also a good speaker. Okay, so he can go from here, but he is not going because he wants to improve something or other. He wants to learn something new. Yeah, and he is Nitish Yadav. He is also a good speaker. You know all of the, but he is very ancient. Yeah, he is trying to learn, and he is Ajay. He is not only a good speaker but also a good dancer. I think you may have watched that video which we have uploaded in the YouTube. And these two kids, these are two kids. They are very cute. They come here every day. Yeah. So do you want to give some tips to everybody? Do you want to give some tips so that they can learn something new?
Not so much tips, but I will give one tip that if you learn English and give that our precious time to the English, you can learn English in 4 to 5 months. But
Yeah.
like him, if you not give any precious time to English, don't learn in a good way, so you can't learn English.
So I think he need to do practice more and more.
More hard work. He is not doing any hard work.
Yeah.
You don't take seriously.
He is not
Yes,
serious.
is not seriously to speak English.
Yes. He is not serious.
He is not serious.
Learning
Okay.
English.
In which class do you study nowadays?
I am in 9th class.
You are in 9th class. So do you know what are the benefits of English in our life?
There are so many benefits of English in our life. Like we can do so many things by learning English. That if we go to foreign, we can talk to anybody in English. If we know good English, so we can talk to them very easily. And there are so many benefits. Like if you learn English, so it is very easy to complete your school course of English. There are so many things like.
Okay. And do you want to say something about Indo-City nowadays? It's going to develop each and every day. So do you have something to speak?
So the Indore city is very good city. Like if we go any other state or here to all
Other city.
other cities, so all people say that Indore is a good city, and now Indore is in progress. The railway is going.
Metro city, metro train is coming here.
Yes, metro train is coming here. Which is on in so many states in India, but
Don't share, yeah.
now it's coming in the
Okay, so do you have your own home in Indore?
yes
So where do you live?
in Lavkush Vishwanath.
In Hakush. Okay, so do you have any plan? What do you have any plan after 12th class? Because we all are aware about study and education is very important. You know very well. Then do you have any plan for after
So I have
12th?
a good plan after 12th. Like I will join a military. Sir.
You will join a military. Okay, let's give him big hand. You want to serve the country. You want to serve the country. It's your dream or is it your?
It's my dream, sir.
It's your dream.
My father's dream also.
Okay. What does your father do?
My father is a serviceman in Bangladesh.
Okay, and your mother?
She is a government teacher.
Very good. So, you know, one day I talked with your mother, so she said to me that he is thinking that he has completed his course and nowadays he is able to speak good English. That's why. So I said to your mom as well, okay, doesn't need to come here again. So it's good, and I am very happy that you have gone from here, but you are a part of this class. You know, I never forget anyone from my coaching. The person who went from here. So what do you want to say something about me?
I would say so many things about you, sir. You are a good teacher and you are a very funny teacher. Like you taught the English in a good way. Means I like your way to taught me English. That's why I learn English in a good way. Because I don't like that types of people who is serious in all subject. But you are
Okay. It means the way of my teaching is very good.
Very good.
Yeah, you didn't think that I am coming here to learn English. You are coming here to enjoy it. Yeah, it's
Yes,
like
yeah,
So we
very
just have
good.
to spend our time and we have to learn by fun. According to me, if we will be serious in any matter, if that would be very too tough for us. But when we will enjoy in that matter, so we then
It
we
is
can
very
learn.
easy.
Yeah, it would be very easy.
I only come here to learn that type of English that I can talk to anybody in English.
Yeah. So we have to learn only that much English.
That much English.
Yeah, from which we can communicate with anybody. Someone will ask you something and you will be able to respond him. We just have to learn that much English. We don't have to learn too much English. We don't have to learn advanced English. Do you have any questions? If you want to ask some questions, so you can ask. Ask. Muskan, are you feeling too much cold? So you can cover yourself with the help of this blanket. Yeah, cover first of all. I know that you are not well, you are facing a lot of problem in your life. Okay, so ask something.
What is the future plan?
I told that my future plan is after 12 I will join a military, and after the military, after completing 15 years of military, I will become a chef.
Do you want to join army?
So go.
And I want to join army because it is my dream, and my father also want that I join the military. He joined the military but he can't pass the running test, that's why
Okay.
he is a hope that I can go in military, and I
After
also
10 years.
have a dream to go in military, that's why.
Which class do you study?
I'm in 9th class.
He studies in the 9th class. And you?
I am which class? I am studying.
You study in 8th class. Okay. Yeah.
Why did you learn English from Sanjay sir?
Wow. You can join any other classes. Why did you come here?
I can join other classes. Simple thing is I don't know if I join classes, but my mother said that there is a good teacher who taught English.
Okay.
That's why I come here to, and when I come here 1 or 2 days I like it. I like the way you teach me, so that's why
You joined this class.
I joined this class.
So now, and you can ask him, why did you join this class? You also could join many classes.
Because I want to learn English and Sanjay sir is a very good teacher, and before coming here I watched his videos. That is why I want to learn English. But I can learn English by YouTube. But if I will learn English from YouTube, so so I don't speak English.
Very good. Yeah.
Ask some questions.
How did you learn English?
I learn English very easily, like because I like the way sir teaches me, and I give a precious time to the English. Sir gave me homework and I did it at the time. And I like that. I also like the English, and I also want to learn English. That's why I learn English.
He didn't make any excuse that sir, tomorrow I was busy, so I was not able to complete your homework. The homework which I had given to him, he has completed on the time. That's why he has learned.
If I didn't do the homework, so yeah.
Yeah. So I used to punish as well.
I don't know that how much English, but I'm in a CBSE school, and there is a one rule that all have to talk in English. So some English I learned there, and then I come to the sir coaching.
And totally speak English. There is
Everybody was
Everybody.
speaking in English.
everybody was speaking English.
Yes, everybody is speaking English, but we are not a good student. That's why we didn't speak in English.
And comes important speak English.
It was compulsory. Was it compulsory for everybody?
Compulsory.
It is very compulsory to speak English, but we don't speak English.
So that's why I learn
That's why I come here to learn English from sir. I changed that to school and come
So-
to English.
So your friends, all your friends speak English.
Some friends are going to another English coaching. They didn't talk to me in English because they know they can't talk to me in English.
I have no question.
I don't have any questions.
I don't have any question, but I told you, give me some tips for give me some tips to how to increase to speak how to speak English, and tell about the journey of Sanjay sir class.
There is
And
so-
you have some good voice. Your
Yeah.
bass is very.
Yeah.
There is no tips to give you, but I will give one tip that if you give your precious time to English, you can easily learn English. And if you want to become fluent, just talk to anybody in your home, with your friends. Just talk to them in English. You will become fluent. Talk to sir.
Talk to me, talk to everybody. This is the way. Okay? And I would like to say one thing. Okay? Thank you so much for giving me your precious time. Please remain in the and